Sup my creators, today I want to show you how you can do well on your task 1 bar chart. It's from IELTS 12 test 1 task 1. The bar chart below shows the percentages of Australian men and women in different age groups who did regular physical activity in 2010. As you can see, we have a bar chart here, and I'll start with the introduction where I'll paraphrase, then I'll write an overall, and then I'll write body paragraphs. So now I have written this one on my notebook, and I want to explain while I'm writing, so stay with me until the end. So let's get started without further ado. So first of all, as you can see, we have this one bar chart here, and I hope you have this one also so that you can understand while I'm writing. So I have written here, so it starts with saying the bar chart illustrates the proportion of men and women in various age groups in Australia who engaged regular physical exercise in 2010. As you can see, it has the same meaning with this one, just in a different way. I hope you can understand this one and write it easily. So now I'll move to an overall, where I'll give an overall view. As you can see, only this bar part where man is higher than woman, the others women are more active. So I'm going to mention this one overall. The percentages of females were higher than, or let's say compared to the percentages of males except for the 15-24 age group. Alright, now we have an overall as well. It's simple and it's very clear. So now I'll move to the body, where I'll start with saying of. You have to learn this grammar, it's really helpful. Of Australian men who were in the 15 to 24 age group 52.8% did regular exercise. So whilst this figure for women was lower at 47.7% right here. There were noticeable differences in proportions of males and females in 4 age groups. The difference between females and males in 25 to 34 was over 6%, 42.2 for men and 48.9 for women. I hope you can see this one here. It's clearly showing for women. Alright, so the largest the largest disparity was in 35 to 44 age group where the figure for women was 52.9, sorry about it, 50.9, and for men it was 39.9%. That's very low for men. So that's all about it for our first part here. So I want to move to the second part where I'll describe this one and this two together and this one. So I'll start by saying 45 to 52, 54, sorry about it, 54, and 55 to 64 had similar rates with about 53% for females and about 45% for men. 65 and over age group had almost the same numbers. Well, we can say percentages. Let's say percentages which were 46.7% and for men and 47.1% for women. Well, that's all about it. We have described this one data clearly in the easiest way possible. I'm sure your vocabulary is good enough, grammar is good enough to understand it and to write this one. So if you have watched this far, please consider subscribing and helping the channel to grow. And I'm really happy that you're watching this channel and learning some new stuff. And thank you for support. And the number of subscribers is growing. I'm on the marathon. I'm about to sit my IELTS exam soon, so I'm trying to improve the quality of the videos as much as possible. However, I'm quite busy. That's why I'm sometimes failing to improve the quality. But I hope you don't mind and stick with us for a while. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thank you. Bye.